Hi, welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. In this video, we will introduce you to the main features of the product. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. This professional wet and dry vacuum cleaner delivers high cleaning performance thanks to its 1,400-watt motor and maximum suction pressure of 20 kilopascal, ensuring effective suction of fine dust, solid debris and liquids. The Class M certified filtration system according to EN 60335-269 standards provides enhanced safety in working environments, maintaining consistent performance even during intensive use. The 20-liter tank, filter cleaning function, and liquid drain system improve operational efficiency and ease of use. The integrated power tool socket up to 2,000 watts allows the connection of electric tools while directly collecting the dust generated during operations. The blower function, 4.5-meter power cable, 3-meter flexible hose, and a wide range of supplied accessories complete the equipment, ensuring maximum versatility for every professional cleaning need. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.